What does it feel like to be connected to nature? Not just spending time in the outdoors, but to go deeper, to let yourself become fully immersed, to become fully intertwined. It is both a remembering and a forgetting at the same time. Of forgetting what you think you already know, of remembering something ancient, intuitive, rekindling a slumbering sense of wildness. It is to know overwhelming joy, awe, and wonder. Endless intrigue and wonder at nature's small marvels. A feeling of kinship with all wild things. Yet, an understanding of nature's ferocity, of the volatility, fragility, and precariousness of life. To connect with nature is to understand the connectivity between all things, and to make peace with who you are and your place in the universe.